Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. How come none of you told me that electrical outlet was there the whole time? We are not HGTV. That's it, love you, proceed. Hello, my name is Malia. We are going to be reviewing and doing and trying on some loungewear because we are lounging right now, or at least hopefully if you're also working, we're still lounging, hopefully, I don't know, but we're gonna do loungewear. I know a lot of people are still working and kind of getting back into their lives, but I think that loungewear is just appropriate at all times of the year, especially now with everything going on. So I thought it was very appropriate. So we are going to look at Misguided, Boohoo, and Pretty Little Thing really quick. I think that's all I have to say. I normally have a lot more to say. Let's get into this and I'll kind of just blabber as stuff goes on. Okay, so the first thing is this two-piece set. It is from Misguided. The thing about Misguided that I love, I am 5'2", so joggers, sweatpants of any kind, even things that I just want to cover a certain length but is just difficult because of my height. I'm about 5'2". I say 5'3" sometimes. Who knows? Who cares? They have a petite section. I believe they also have a plus and tall section that I hear is just as great as the section that I shop from for pants. And I love that because it still accentuates my body according to my height. If you're just like in the average, not average, but if you're in the like normal height category that normally works for you, and sometimes that works for me as well, then that's great as well. I don't see any difference with the clothes. I think it's wonderful, but I love this two-piece set because I think it is so cute, and while you're at home, it's important to feel cute and comfortable. In addition to everything else that's going on, you still want to wear things that don't make you feel like a slob all the time. I know we all have our moments. I certainly have countless ones throughout the day, every single day, but I think that this is so cute and something that you will be able to wear throughout the year, especially during fall and like winter. I'm so excited. I love the length of it. You can wear a sports bra underneath. Sorry if you can see the pink. Sports bras are great because if you lift up your arms, then nothing shows and you're good to go. You can also do the tuck underneath your sports bra if you want to crop it even more or just want to secure it down. This next hoodie I love. It's like this greenish blue kind of muted color, and I don't exactly know how to describe it. It's more earthy, but it's also got a nice little pop of color to this gray toned situation. I don't know exactly what it is. You can wear shorts underneath these if you're going out. I suggest wearing Spanx or some kind of shorts if you do wear this out in public, because my goal was to get these and like not have to wear pants per se. Like I would still wear Spanx underneath them, so I'm doing stuff around the house. I think it's just super fun and comfortable when you're at home. I would definitely wear pants underneath these if you're going out in public, just in case. And I just paired them with Air Force Ones, which are the newest shoe to my collection. And I roll my eyes like that because I have not bought these for so long because everyone was like, that's a basic shoe, don't get that shoe, don't be so basic. But look how cute. It's so cute. I really like these shoes, and I think that they are a basic, not basic, maybe they are basic. Don't let someone's opinion of what is and what isn't in style and what's overdone and what's not overdone dictate everything. It's definitely fun to find new things and use that as a guideline, and I'm excited to be able to walk outside. Next we have this little kind of cropped black tank top with these gray kind of stone wash joggers. I believe they called it something, acid wash joggers. They are so cute. Okay, we'll start with one thing. First things first, the top. I think the top is a great basic. Again, sorry, I picked the wrong bra for like this whole video, so please excuse that. I think that a sticky bra would go great with it, and that it would just hold enough to also make you feel supported, but also get the job done and not look bad in any way. I think it's very complimentary towards your body, your shape, your figure, regardless of what it is. It's very basic, very good to have, I think, just overall, because you want to have those little pieces, and with things like that, you don't want to spend $80 on a tank top unless for some reason that lasts 80 years. But with tank tops, you can go through them pretty quickly because they can get dingy if you wear them a lot. So I think that this tank top is a perfect one to have just so you can keep kind of cycling them out as time goes on. And these joggers, you guys, I have a hard time finding things that complement my body well, that fit well. I think that everyone has that problem in one way or another. And these joggers, the waistband on them is pristine. The sizing on them is wonderful. I'm pretty sure they have them in the tall, the regular, and maybe the plus size as well. I didn't check. Normally that's how they do things. But it's just got this great like thick waistband. It's snatched on the bottom as well. and the quality is so good. I love the pockets. They're nice and thick, but they're not like, oh, I'm in the winter time, I need some 2-inch thick leggings to keep me warm. They're perfect. They're not too thick, they're not too thin. I do suggest these though if you are looking for a good jogger. They're so soft. I think that they complement your body so well. And then these are from Misguided. And then I just throw on those other Nike shoes with them. And you can honestly throw on any tennis shoe you want, and I think that it will look amazing. So with that black tank top, I think it came in the set of, yes, it came in the set of 2. It came with a gray tank as well. So what I did is I threw it on with those same joggers. I think it's so cute. You want a gray, you want a black. It's great to have a white as well if you can. And I think that that gray is just a really cute basic gray that look great with the sweatpants as well. So I threw on some white tennis shoes with it, so the top and the bottom were lighter and then the middle color was darkest, just to give the eye variety. But these tank tops are very cute. I really do like them a lot. You do want those basics. I think something about just a nice jogger that fits you well and a cute tank top, a good tennis shoe makes a really cute athleisure outfit. So you can take your loungewear and turn it into athleisure wear, mix and match and have fun. Dress it up, dress it down. The world is yours. And then we have the crew neck that I'm wearing. So this, I have fur on everything. I'm very sorry. It's even on my eyeball. Oh my gosh. It's just a black, simple crew neck. I threw on these gold hoops with all of the clothing items that I was wearing because I really like the gold with it. And I think that it's simple. You can wear this with jeans by itself. It's long enough that you don't have to wear pants with it. You can just put on some little shorts and go out with some cute sneakers and you have a cute little outfit. You can throw on some nice ripped shorts, tuck it in the front. You can do the front tuck as well underneath the sports bra if you want a little cropped action. You can wear the sweatpants. We love our staples and we love versatile items. Again, I just paired it with those beautiful new babies that we have added to our collection. I got this in, this is gonna be interesting. Ow. I got it in an extra large. If you're taller, you can size up for sure. If you're comfortable just putting pants on with it, then you're fine where it's at. I love the oversized because if you're at home, like, you want to be comfortable. You want to be able to move and have room to stretch and clean and put away dishes and clean some more and do your homework. This is from Pretty Little Thing, this crew neck sweater, West Coast, California. My sweet home, I miss it so much. I think that it's fun to have that little pop of wording and color graphics on there. And you can wear this by itself with some Spanx and some cute shoes, but it is a little short, so make sure you're comfortable with that. Do wear pants underneath it, because otherwise you will not be wearing any pants at all. I think that this is also a really cute beach cover up because California beaches are cold. This hoodie. This is the hoodie that you can wear as like a t-shirt dress. It's long enough. Maybe it'll go up if your arms go up. It's flattering to your body, but it's also not trying to overdo itself and like outshine you as a person. This is just nice and comfortable and super cute. And you can wear your hair up with this, make it sporty, add a tennis shoe. You can wear it as a beach cover up. You can wear it as a loungewear. You can wear it with jeans. And I do love getting like the extra big hoodies because it's nice when I can just like throw it to my mom, my brothers, my boyfriend and be like, oh, this all fits us. And this might be a men's actually. So I love shopping in the men's section sometimes because they have the best hoodies a lot of the time. This was another hoodie, just a simple black hoodie, very cute. It's great. Again, same old thing, loungewear. I don't really know what else to say. So I just threw on that same tank that I showed you guys earlier, the crop one. And then I got these biker shorts from Pretty Little Thing. They, listen, I know I said that I would never wear biker shorts, but I have conformed, I have fallen in, I have fallen prey. They're so comfortable, especially to work out in. These I would not work out in because they're very thin. They're not too thin to where they're very see-through. They might be slightly see-through because they're a thinner cotton material. Maybe for squatting in them, they will absolutely be see-through. You can tie something around your waist. So speaking of that, I also grabbed this cardigan. The inner church girl me just, and it was in my cart. So it's very cute though. I have like a love-hate relationship with cardigans because I wore so many growing up. But now I think that they're so cute and they can be so cute, especially during the fall. Everyone looks so stinking cute in their cardigans. So I was like, okay, let me get one too. It's part of my identity, you might as well. These pants, I just saw them and they looked very comfortable and sporty. But when I got them, they were not what I expected. They were like this thinner, stretchier, softer material. I thought they would be more athletic, sweat wicking kind of material, but they weren't. They're this very soft, thinner material, and they're not see-through by any means, but because they are this thinner material, they don't accentuate cellulite or anything if that's something that you're concerned about. However, they do make your butt look really good. I mean, Don't get me wrong, I am not at my Sunday best right now. However, you work with what you got, but these pants genuinely accentuate your body very nice. You know, no pant is gonna give you the perfect body that you like, but sometimes it's nice to find things that do just complement you well. And you are going to be the only one that can define that, and don't let anyone else do that, because you are you and you are beautiful no matter what you do, no matter what you wear. However, we do love to be comfortable. Just to reiterate a few things before we go is you can always dress up or dress down your loungewear. Always looks great with gold hoops or chains, rings, whatever you want. And then find things that you are comfortable in, that are comfortable for you on your body, and that you love yourself in. Those are the most important. That last point was the most important thing ever. You guys are amazing and wonderful, and I love you so much. If you like seeing my face and you want to see my face again, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you guys have any suggestions on where to get your favorite loungewear, where you get it from, your favorite pieces, your favorite ways to style it, or your favorite outfit from this haul, leave it down below. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.